Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix bad quality TikTok uploads. So when you're uploading a video over to TikTok and your quality of your videos is extremely bad, then here are 4 ways to fix this or why this is causing. So in order to fix this, what you simply want to do, the first method I have for you guys is right here opening your TikTok app. Then you want to click on this plus icon right here to actually create a video. You can either create a video using your normal camera or you can upload the video from your gallery. So for example, when I upload a video from my gallery, just like this, and I go to videos, and then this video, I simply click on next. And then literally right here, I have allow high quality uploads. So you want to make sure that allow high quality uploads is enabled. And this is one of the most important things because it will literally give TikTok information that you need to have high quality. So it will make TikTok upload high quality. So that's the first thing you want to do. The second thing, however, is what you might want to try is if your quality of your videos are really bad, is most likely your iPhone or Android storage is really full. Because the second your iPhone storage becomes really full or starts to get full, it doesn't need to be completely full, but once it had like 10% of the entire space left, then sometimes your iPhone or Android will just compress your videos because they want to free up some storage. So yeah, you want to make sure that you have enough storage on your iPhone because otherwise your iPhone or Android might actually start compressing your videos, which will also cause bad quality over on TikTok. Then the third method, what you want to do is if you're actually filming through your normal camera app just like this, then what you want to make sure and do is you want to go to the top right corner of your screen and you want to make sure that 60 FPS and 4K is enabled because you want to simply make sure to film at the highest quality as possible. So I would recommend 4K 60 FPS because that's simply the highest quality. And then the last thing what you might want to try is when your quality is really bad, then what you might want to try and do is simply check your Wi-Fi and you want to get another device from your brother or your family because sometimes when you upload the video and you watch the video as a preview, the quality will be really bad. However, when you watch it on someone else's phone, the quality is actually really good because when you have really bad Wi-Fi or internet connection on your phone, then TikTok will just straight up also lower the quality of the videos over on your TikTok, and it's basically the same as YouTube. YouTube will also just lower the quality of your videos if you have bad quality, and exactly the same thing is happening with TikTok. So always make sure that you have high quality when you watch your videos because that could literally just throw you off because it will just not be bad quality. It will only be bad quality to you because you have bad Wi-Fi. So that are the 4 fixes I have for you guys right there. If you learned something from this video, then I would highly appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.